There they go. What in the world's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. Big Zeus here, and yes, the 2018 Indoraptor is the topic of today's video. The F150 is notorious for that windshield cowl right there to dilapidate, degradate. I guess degradate, is that a word? It goes bad. Plastic. It's junk, Ford. And by bad, what I mean is Ford used to be quality job one, and apparently their parts are not made the same as they used to be, because this windshield cowl is the issue of a lot of complaints and service department visits. If you're going down the road and you're like, where in God's name is that noise coming from? You accelerate, you get a little faster, the noise increases. It's like a tapping or a small rattle. It's like, what is that noise? Well, I'm glad you come across my video today, because this windshield cowl, being out in the sun and all, Ford's plastics just don't hold up. I had a video a couple years ago that I made of the wife's Explorer. When I originally made this video, I thought that it was just my SUV and maybe a few others that were experiencing this problem. But little did I know it was every one of them across the board. It's not an isolated incident. No. I mean, Ford just, I guess they don't care. It's not quality job one. So I'm going to show y'all how I fix this. Gonna put a brand new part off of Amazon. I got links in the description. Let's get started replacing this today. Y'all can do it. It's a very easy fix. Don't take this truck, car, SUV into that Ford parts department. Shame on you. They'll charge you $200, $300, $400, and it's not worth it in the least. We'll set the small step stool up just like this. All right, we'll get up here. All right, so the first things we're going to have to do, lift your windshield wipers up like this. On top of the windshield wiper arm, there's a little button, and we're going to lift that up and pull the wiper right off. So right there is that little pin. You can usually take your fingernail and see it's just on a spring. So you want to hold it up and then just work this back and forth. There's that little spring that holds that on the gear drive right there. All right, so passenger side, we lift up just like before. There it is. Just a second. And if you've got black stuff from your windshield wipers all over you, chances are your windshield wiper blades are worn. It's the perfect time to go ahead and replace them too. I'll put links in the description for windshield wiper blades also. Exactly the ones I use. Now this windshield cowl is going to come with new windshield wiper sprayers, or the spray tube. That's pretty cool. Just in case yours is worn out, this kit comes with everything you'll need. Yes. Look at that. Nice. Brand new rubber. It's got the clips. Yes. I'm liking it. Let's see if I can pop this out. Driver's side. Windshield washer sprayer. Your tubes hook up right there. Pretty straightforward. So now the windshield wipers are off. We can pop the hood and gain access to the underside of the cowl, and we'll pop that loose with the little door pin puller tool that I've got. Okay, so you're going to have two sides, splits in the middle, and we're just taking out the top portion. We're not removing the bottom cowl. So, and you can see up front there is 1, 2, 3 front facing clips. This thing is perfect to get that loose. I'll show you right here. Look at that. Perfect. This is the perfect tool. So like I said, you've got 3 front facing clips and you've got 3 down facing pins inside. I laid these out here just to show you. Here are the new left and right windshield cowls on the bottom, and up here are the old flimsy windshield cowls that I just removed. Big time difference. So I'm going to take this right here. This is Chemical Guys Streak Free Window Cleaner, and I'm going to spray the bottom of the windshield up there where the cowl was and clean that dirt and grime off of the windshield. So the new kit comes with new windshield washer tubing that's already split off. It's got these hose connectors, makes it really easy to change out. My factory one is not in bad enough shape that I'm going to worry about it. So this is going in a box on the shelf. And if I ever experience problems, I've got mine right here. So I'm just going to sit this panel up on top of the cowl right here because we've got to connect our rubber washer hose into the sprayers and put it in the guidelines that hold it up under the cowl. These little side pieces, just take your fingers for the first time, push them down in there. Want to make sure this is flush all the way across. That's probably your toughest point. There's a pin right in the middle. I kept having to hit down on it and it will go. It's just kind of awkward because it's so far in the middle of the hood, and especially, see, I'm up on a stool right now. I'm going to actually see if I can get the passenger side windshield wiper from the driver's side because, yeah, because the pedestal is actually more towards the middle. So, yeah, oh, yeah. So, putting this thing back on, you do want to make sure you pull your pin right there, place it down on, and just make sure you're in the right spot. If you're not, then it's going to be too far up or on the cowl too far down. So, and you want to wiggle it around and try to pull it off, because if you don't have that clipped in, you're going to hit your windshield wipers and that's going to strip out right there. So, all right. So now you want to go inside the truck and we want to test these windshield wipers out And we want to test our sprayers out. So you want to do test spray on the windshield, make sure everything is lined up and everything works as it should. And why do I want to do that? Because if you don't test that out and you're in a rainstorm and you didn't get a windshield wiper on properly and it breaks off, you're in trouble. I mean, mechanically, and you're stranded in the rain too. I mean, it could do some damage. So I'd rather be sure in the driveway or in the shop building before you hit the road. So test everything out. So this isn't a question of if this is going to happen to you, it's when it's going to happen. And the only question I have is, are you going to pay Ford parts $200, $300, $400 for subpar quality? Or are you going to click the link in my description and get yours today from Amazon? Just to recap, it comes with a left and right side. Each side has 3 front plastic clips and 3 downward push pins inside that you can't see. So when you're pulling the old one off, if you break one of those clips, don't worry about it. You got your new part, comes with new clips and everything like that. If this video helped y'all out in some way, shape, or form, I appreciate the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I got tons of other videos on how-to, mods, that sort of thing. And if you like this video, refer back to that Explorer video right there. I'm telling you guys, that Explorer video, thousands of people got something out of it. If you didn't get anything out of this video, then maybe you'll like this video. If you don't like that video, head on over to the channel page, check out all my videos. I've got hundreds. I'm sure you'll find something you like. Meanwhile, I'm going to get back to the fall decor for the wife, helping out around the house. Catch y'all soon. Later now.